If you notice your temperature gauge climbing into the red zone or see smoke coming from your engine, your vehicle is likely overheating. This is a serious issue that needs immediate attention. In this video, we are go over the possible causes of engine overheating and what you can do to fix it. Before diving into the causes, start by scanning your car for any trouble codes. If a specific component throws a code, inspect and evaluate it first. However, overheating can sometimes occur without any diagnostic codes, so let's explore the common reasons why your engine may be overheating. The first cause is your car is low coolant level. The cooling system relies on the proper amount of coolant to function effectively. If your coolant level is low, refill it to the recommended level. However, if it drops again within a few days or a week, you likely have a leak. This leak could be internal or external. Internal leaks like head gasket failure, cracked engine block, or damaged cylinder head, and external leaks like radiator, hoses, water pump, or heater core. The second causes is faulty radiator cap. A damaged or worn-out radiator cap can allow air to enter the cooling system, leading to overheating. If the cap is stuck closed, it can create excessive pressure, causing leaks and further overheating. Replacing the radiator cap is an easy and inexpensive fix. The third causes is stuck closed thermostat. The thermostat controls coolant flow between the engine and the radiator. If it remains closed, the coolant cannot reach the radiator to cool down, causing the engine to overheat. A stuck thermostat should be replaced immediately. The next causes is faulty water pump. The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant throughout the engine. If it fails, coolant cannot flow properly, preventing the engine from cooling down. Common signs of a failing water pump include leaks, a whining noise, or overheating at random times. The next causes is low engine oil. Engine oil not only lubricates moving parts but also helps with heat dissipation. If your oil level is too low, increased friction between metal components will generate excess heat, leading to overheating. Always check your oil levels regularly and top up when necessary. The next causes is faulty radiator fan. If your radiator fan isn't working, it won't be able to cool down the hot coolant in the radiator. One way to identify this issue is if your car only overheats at low speeds or while idling, but the problem disappears when driving at high speeds. This is because airflow naturally increases while driving, compensating for a non-functioning fan. Engine overheating is a serious issue that can lead to costly repairs if not addressed promptly. By identifying and fixing the root cause early, you can prevent severe engine damage. Regular maintenance, such as checking coolant levels, inspecting hoses, and ensuring proper airflow, can help keep your engine running at optimal temperatures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.